Hello students, I am Anik Sonone from SNJ Junior College, Sanpur. In the last lecture, we have to solve some examples on exercise 1.2. Today, we solve some examples on the concept of the tautology, contradiction and contingency. The example number 3 is examining whether each of the following statement pattern is tautology or contradiction or contingency. The first example is in bracket P conjunction Q implies Q then P. All of you know that the concepts of the tautology, contradiction and contingency. If the last entries of the truth table of statement pattern is all are true, then it is tautology, all are false, then it is contradiction, and neither tautology nor contradiction, that is the contingency. Examine these statement pattern is tautology, contradiction or contingency using the truth table. Okay. Therefore, observe the statement pattern. There are the two simple statements, that is P and Q. Therefore, we know that if two simple statements in the statement pattern, then that time the number of rows in the statement pattern that are the 4. Okay. Therefore, here draw the or prepare the truth table of the statement pattern. Here, first is P. First column, that is the P. Second column, that is the Q. Then next is bracket Hinarapa. Third is P conjunction Q. Fourth one is Q. Second bracket, that is the Q disjunction P. And fifth one, that is the P conjunction Q implies Q disjunction P. Okay. Therefore, the possible truth values for the P are true, true, false, false. Next, Q are alternatively write down here true, false, false. Then P conjunction Q. P conjunction Q. Okay. We know that the definition of the conjunction, if both the simple statements are true, then it is true. Conjunction is true. In all other cases, it is false. Okay. Therefore, true conjunction true is true. True conjunction false. False conjunction true. Both are false. Then it is false. Next is Q disjunction P. Q disjunction P. Q disjunction P. If both are false, then its disjunction is false. In all other cases, it is true. Therefore, true disjunction true is the true. False disjunction true, that is the true. True disjunction false, that is the true. And false disjunction false is false. Okay. Next, take the implication of column number 3 and column number 4, that is P conjunction Q. Bracket complete implies Q disjunction P. Okay. Therefore, implication मध्ये first statement is true, second is false, then that time it is false. In all other cases, it is true. Therefore, true implies true, that is the true. False implies true, that is the true. False implies again true, that is the true. False implies false, it becomes true. We observe the last entries of the truth table of this given statement pattern. All are true. If all are true, then that times the given statement pattern is tautology. Okay. मग आता सर्वात शेवटी याचा रिझल्ट द्यायचा असतो. ओके. रिझल्टला मार्क असता परीक्षेला. रिझल्ट we observe that the last entries of the truth table on R2 truth table are true, that is P, and hence the given statement pattern is tautology. असं लिहिलं तरी चालेल किंवा पूर्ण स्टेटमेंट पॅटर्न आपण लिहिलं तरी Second example, that is the negation of in bracket negation of P conjunction negation of Q bracket complete junction Q. Prepare its truth table. Okay, therefore see here. There are the two simple statements, that is P and Q. Therefore write down the first column, that is the P, second column, that is the Q. Okay. At the bracket बघणार आपण. In bracket, that is the negation of P conjunction negation of Q. Okay. म्हणजे firstly we can find the negation of P and negation of Q. Therefore third column, that is the negation P. Fourth one, that is the negation Q. Then we can find here the negation, take its conjunction, that is the negation of P conjunction negation of Q, that is the 5 number column. 6 number, that is write its negation, that is the 6 number is negation of in bracket negation P conjunction negation Q, and lastly last column, that is the negation of in bracket negation of P conjunction negation of Q bracket complete disjunction Q. Disjunction. Okay. Then see here, the possible truth values of the P are true, true, false, false. Then after take here true, false. Q ची value काय लिहिणार आपण alternatively true, false. Negation of the P, we know that the negation of the true is false and negation of the false, that is the true. Therefore negation of true, that is the false. Here also negation of the true, that is the false. Negation of the false, that is the true. Here the entries of the negation of Q are true, false. Negation Q, that is the false, true, false and true. Okay. Therefore take the conjunction of negation P with negation Q. Therefore take the conjunction of column number 3 and 4. Okay. Therefore false conjunction false is the false. False conjunction true, that is the false. True conjunction false is the false. True conjunction true, that is the. In column number 6, that is the negation of column number 5, that is negation P conjunction negation Q. Therefore negation of false, that is the true. Negation of false is the true. Negation of false is true. Negation of true, that is the false. Okay. And is the last column, we have negation of in bracket negation P conjunction negation Q disjunction with Q. That means column number 6 disjunction with column number 7. Okay. Disjunction later, disjunction मध्ये both are false असेल तर it becomes false, otherwise it is true. मग आपण column number 3 and column number 6 ऑब्जर्व करणार. आपण पहिल्यांदा काउंट करताना कुठून करणार column number 6 पासून. ओके. True conjunction true disjunction true, that is the true. True disjunction false, that is the true. True disjunction true, again true. False disjunction false. False disjunction false, that is the. Okay. Therefore observe the last entries of the truth table, that is the true, true, true and false. That is not all are true, not all are false. Therefore it is neither tautology nor contradiction. That means it is the continuous. Okay. Therefore write down here the result. We conclude that, or we observe that the last entries of the truth table are not same म्हणू शकतो आपण, are not same, not identical, and hence here in bracket negation of in bracket negation P conjunction negation Q disjunction of Q is continuous. That is the answer. Write down this. third example, that is the examine whether each of the following statement pattern is tautology or contradiction or contingency. The statement pattern is in bracket P implies Q conjunction negation Q bracket complete implies negation of the P. Examine whether this statement pattern is tautology, contradiction or contingency. Okay, therefore prepare its truth table. Okay, there are the two simple statements. Okay, therefore the number of rows are here 4. Okay, therefore first column that is the P, second column that is the Q. Okay, मग पहिल्यांदा आपण ब्रॅकेट घेणार. Therefore possible truth values of the P are true, true, false and false. Okay, Q are take alternatively true, false. Okay, third column that is the P implies Q. Fourth one ब्रॅकेट चं पुन्हा कंजंक्शन निगेशन Q शी, म्हणजे पहिल्यांदा मला फाइंड आउट करावं लागेल निगेशन Q. ओके, फिफ्थ वन पुन्हा इन ब्रॅकेट मध्ये काय दिलंय P implies Q या ब्रॅकेट चं निगेशन कंजंक्शन घेतलं आपण निगेशन Q शी. therefore fifth column number 5 is P implies Q conjunction with negation, and the last is this column number 5 is implies negation of the P. म्हणजे पहिल्यांदा पुन्हा आम्हाला negation P फाइंड आउट करायचं, and last seventh one is P implies Q conjunction negation of Q bracket complete implies negation of the P. That is the last column of this truth table. Okay, therefore possible truth value of the P are true, true, false, false. Q are true, false, true, false. P implies Q. P implies Q, that is the implication. In implication, first is true, second is false, then it is false. P true implies false, that is the false. In all other cases, true implies true is a true, false implies true is a true, false implies false is a denied. Next column number 4, that is the negation of the Q. Negation of the Q. Q are true, false, true, false. Then its negation. True negation is false, and false negation is true. False, true, false. Okay. In column number 5, that is the P implies Q conjunction with negation. Therefore, take the conjunction of column number 3 and 4. Okay. True conjunction false, that is the false. False conjunction true, that is the false. True conjunction false, that is the false. True conjunction true, that is the conjunction. Column number 6 represents here negation of the P. Entries of the P are true, true, false, false. Its negation is true, negation is false, and negation of the false, that is the true. Okay, and is in column number 7. P implies Q conjunction of negation Q. Bracket complete. Bracket implies negation of Q. Okay, that means column number 5 implies column number 6. Okay, therefore false implies false, that is the true. False implies false, that is the true. False implies true, that is the true. And true implies true, that is the true. Observe here, the last entries of the truth table are true, 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 and all are same, that is the true. And hence here the given statement pattern P implies Q conjunction negation of the Q bracket complete implies negation of the P is tautology. Okay, therefore we result we observe that the last entries of the truth table are T म्हणा किंवा T म्हटलं तरी चालेल are true, and hence here in bracket P implies Q conjunction negation Q bracket complete implies negation P is right. Next example, that is the examine whether each of the following statement pattern is tautology or contradiction or contingency. The example number 4, that is negation of in bracket negation Q conjunction P conjunction. Okay, there are again two simple statements. Okay, therefore right now here first is P, second column that is the Q. Okay. Third is पहिल्यांदा आपण bracket घेऊया. Third column that is the negation of Q conjunction P. That means we can first find negation. Okay. Then in fourth we can find negation Q conjunction P. Okay. Therefore negation Q conjunction P. Fifth one is take its negation, bracket negation, that is the negation of negation Q conjunction P. And is in the last sixth negation of negation Q conjunction P conjunction again. Okay, therefore the entries of the P are true, true, false, false. Entries of the Q are true, false, true, false. Negation of the Q, negation of the true is false, and negation of the false is true. Then in column number 4, negation Q conjunction P. Take the conjunction of column number 3 and first. Okay, मग घेताना इकडनंच काउंट करणार. False conjunction true, that is the false. True conjunction true, that is the true. False conjunction false, that is the false. And true conjunction false is false. Okay, take its negation. Negation घ्या column number 4 च. Therefore false negation is true. Negation of the true is false. False is true, and last is also true. And is in last, that is again negation of in bracket negation Q conjunction P conjunction with Q. म्हणजे column number 5 conjunction with second. Okay. True conjunction true, that is the true. False conjunction false is false. True conjunction true, that is the true. True conjunction false, that is the false. Observe here the in last entries of the truth table are neither true nor false. Okay, that means neither tautology nor contradiction. मग काय असणार आहे? That is the contingency. Okay. We observe that the last entries of truth table, last entries of the truth table are not identical, and hence here, and hence negation of negation Q conjunction P conjunction with Q is continuous. Okay, right like this. Next example, example number 5. Examine whether each of the following statement pattern is tautology, contradiction, or continuous. Okay, the statement pattern is in bracket negation P implies Q, conjunction in bracket P conjunction R. Okay, therefore first column indicate P, second Q, third is R. There are the three simple statements P, Q, and here R. Therefore, the possible truth values of the P are. आता 3 असेल तर आपण P चे लिहिताना 4 times काय लिहितो? True. Then after 4 times false. Okay. Next is QR take alternatively 2 times true and 2 times false. Next is R is take alternatively 1 times true and false. Okay, there. Negation of the PR true, false. Then negation of the PR false because negation of the true is false and negation of the false is. Next is negation of the P implies negation of the column number 4 implies column number 6. Okay, मग पहिल्यांदा ट्रू असेल, सेकंड फॉल्स असेल तर फॉल्स, इन ऑल अदर केसेस इट इज ट्रू. फॉल्स implies 4 वर आणि सेकंड वर आपण कॉन्संट्रेट करायचं. फॉल्स implies true, that is the true. False implies true, that is the true. False implies false is true. False implies false, that is the true. True implies true, that is the true. True implies true, that is the true. True implies false is false. True implies false is false. Okay, check करायचं व्यवस्थित. False implies true, true. False implies true, false implies false, false implies false, true implies true. It is correct. Okay. Next is in column number 6, P conjunction with R. Okay. P and R conjunction घ्यायचं. Conjunction मध्ये both are true असेल तर true, the other one is false. True conjunction true, that is the true. True conjunction false is false. True conjunction true, that is the true. True conjunction false is false. False conjunction true, that is the false. False conjunction false, that is the false. False conjunction true, that is the false. And false conjunction false, that is the false. That is in last. Negation of the P implies Q, that is the column number 5, and P conjunction R, that is the column number 6. So what's the conjunction? True conjunction true, that is the true. True conjunction false, that is the false. True conjunction true, that is the true. True conjunction false, that is the false. True conjunction false is the false. True conjunction false is the false. True false conjunction false, and last both are false. Okay, observe the entries of the last column, that is neither true or not false. Okay, true false, false. Therefore, the result is we observe that the last entries of the truth table, are not identical, and hence in bracket negation P implies Q conjunction P conjunction R. Okay, write down this example. Examine whether each of the following statement pattern is tautology, contradiction or contingency. These three examples. In bracket P implies Q if and only in bracket negation of the P detention. In second, in bracket P implies Q, bracket complete conjunction Q, bracket complete implies P. And third example, P and only Q conjunction in another bracket P implies negation of the Q. These three examples solved at home. Try to it. Here we going to complete the exercise 1.2. 2. Okay, thank you.